Hi there. I know what it's like to work tirelessly at your job, chasing goals, or building a business. But let me ask you, when was the last time you prioritized yourself? As for any work, we may face constant deadlines or maybe working long hours in front of a screen, or maybe it is the pressure to succeed. It all seems exciting, but let's be real. This lifestyle can take a toll on our health. Do you feel constantly tired, like you're running on empty? Struggle to stay focused throughout the day? Or maybe you've noticed stress creeping in, making it harder to stay motivated. You're not alone. The truth is, your health is the foundation for everything. Your energy, your focus, and even your creativity. Neglecting it doesn't just hurt your well-being, it impacts your work and your ability to achieve your goals. But here's the good news. Making a positive change doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. That's where a free health assessment can help. This assessment is simple, quick, and designed for people like us who are always on the go. In just a few minutes, you'll uncover personalized insights about your health and actionable tips to improve your energy, focus, and productivity. Think of it as a check-in with yourself. Small changes, like understanding what your body needs, can lead to big results, better work days, sharper thinking, and a greater sense of control over your life and business. Imagine waking up feeling energized, tackling your tasks with clarity, and ending your day with a sense of accomplishment, without the burnout. That's what's possible when you take charge of your health. And here's the best part. It's free. No catch, no strings attached. Just a simple way to take the first step toward feeling and performing your best. So, take this moment for yourself. Click the link to start your free health assessment now, because when you feel your best, you can give your best to your work, your goals, and your life.